We have all inserted a complex or longer word to sound smarter or to make an essay longer. But it's important to keep writing short and concise in both translation management and everyday writing. Why? Because using jargon or intricate words can create a barrier and frustrate your readers. The purpose of writing is communication, and you want to appeal to your least knowledgeable reader. Not sure how to do that? Let's fix that. Though you may want to impress your reader by using $10 words or jargon that professionals use, the goal is to make your document as readable as possible. Readers will appreciate the clear language, especially if they don't have to look every word up in a dictionary. Sometimes it's hard to recognize when a simpler word can be used, but here's a list to get you started. Enclosed, as per your request, functionality, utility, in actuality, deemed advisable, kindly, obtain, demonstrate, aggregate, amounts to, currently, deficit, terminate, indicate, parameters, and duplicate. Though these words may seem to spice up your writing or make you sound smarter to your readers, there are better and preferred words to use in the workplace. Pause the video now to see if you can guess the substitute. In, for you, function, use, actually, suggested, please, get, shows, total, is, now, shortage, end, show, tell, and say, boundaries and factors, and copy. Now you have a better idea on using simple language in your writing. For more information and practice problems, please visit protean.learnworlds.com. The Choosing Your Language course provides details on simple language, jargon, and much more. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos. I'm Nina Delella, and thanks for watching.